In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and effectively increase your Navy Federal credit limit. Stick around because these tips could change your financial future. Before we get into the how, let's quickly cover who is eligible for a credit limit increase with Navy Federal. You need a good credit history, low credit utilization, and updated income information. Meeting these criteria can greatly enhance your chances of getting approved. Now, let's break down the step-by-step process of requesting a credit limit increase. You have two main options: online banking or a phone call. Log into your Navy Federal account, navigate to the Loans and Credit section, select your credit card, and click on Increase Credit Limit. Fill out the required information and submit. Alternatively, you can call Navy Federal's customer service at 1-888-842-6328. Explain that you'd like to request a credit limit increase and provide any necessary information, such as your income and employment details. Here are some insider tips to help you get approved quickly. Maintain a good credit score, keep your balances low, and update your income details. Also, remember the 91/3 rule. Wait at least 91 days and 3 full statement cycles before requesting an increase. To avoid a hard pull on your credit report, consider freezing your credit with Equifax before making the request. This can prevent unnecessary inquiries. Ensure your credit utilization is low and your other accounts are in good standing. Navy Federal uses your Equifax FICO 9 score for limit increases, so make sure your score is in good shape.